Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you table in MS Word. In order to learn table, first we need to click on insert and here we have table. If I click on table, it will give me a drop down. The first is boxes. For example, if I want to take table, so definitely it is asking that how many columns and how many rows do you want. For example, if I say this, so definitely I right now I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 columns. Okay, rows 1 2 3 4, getting me? So it determines that how many columns and how many rows do you want, getting me? So with the help of these boxes we can take table, getting me? Second way is that if you click on insert table, so here you can specify that how many columns and how many rows do you want. For example, if you want just 5 columns and 2 rows, click on it and it will give you, getting me? Then we have this third way. For example, if you want to create or if you want to draw your table, so what you need to do, you need to click on table and here we have draw table. With the help of draw table, we can say we can create a table. For example, if I want to give columns, if I want to give rows, so definitely I can draw it by my own, getting me? Then the last what we have Excel. Definitely we are not going to learn yet, but quick tables are built-in tables. For example, if you want to create a tab for calendar, so you don't need to create this table from the scratch. You have built-in table, getting me? So for example, if you want to create this table, just click on it and definitely here we have a table, getting me? As I click on table, you can see that now I have two more menus. The first is design and second is layout. Design, definitely with the help of design menu we can design our table. With the help of layout menu we can layout, we can change the size of our column, we can do everything, getting me? First we will learn design menu. So what is design menu? Definitely with the help of design we can design our table. For example, if I want to give design, for example, if I like this design, you can see that I have this design. If I want to change the design like this, so I can change the design. If I want to give this style, I can give, getting me? And what are these check boxes? For example, if I remove or if I uncheck all these check boxes, so you can see that how simple our table is, getting me? But if I want to get more color, so what I do, I will check all these check boxes and as you can see that now I have more colors, getting me? Then I have shading. What do I have? Shading. So with the help of shading I can give shading to my table, getting me? Border style, I can change the border style, border width and border style. And then I have pen color. What I have? Pen color. For example, if I want to change the pen color, so I can do here, and definitely we have this, and definitely with the help of pen color we can change it. It's fine, getting me? So with the help of pen color, do you know what is pen? We learn draw table, you know, this is pen, na? So here we can change the color, width and everything. Here we can change the border. For example, if you want to change the border, as we have learned in the previous lectures that what is border and shading, so definitely we can go and we can do work here, getting me? We can also change the border color as well. Now we should go in the layout menu. So what is layout menu? Definitely here we can select. For example, if we have this a table, and if I keep my cursor here, and if I want to select a cell, I can select here. If I want to select this column, so you can see that my column has been selected. If I want to select the row, so you can see that this row has been selected. If I want to select entire table, I can select it. Here means here we can select. Then we have draw table, you know. What is most important? Definitely eraser. Eraser is very important, you know. I like it a lot. Eraser, with the help of eraser we can erase the portion of our table. For example, if I just want the hollow here, if I don't want any column, row, so with the help of eraser tool I can make it hollow, getting me? Then we have delete. For example, if I keep my cursor here, select, and if I keep my cursor here, and if I want to delete a cell, if I want to delete a column, if I want to delete row, if I want to delete entire table, so here I can do. If I want to insert, for example, you are working and you took 1 2 3 4, you took 4 columns, but after that you got to know, no, you need 8 columns or 5 columns. So definitely you will say, okay, I will have to make it from the sketch, I will have to make from the beginning. No, you don't need to do this. If you want to take more, so what you need to do, you just need to click on on any of these. For example, if we have above means above. If you want to take table above, if you want to take you can say row, or you can say below, or it can be anywhere, it can be anything. For example, if you want to take left, for example, right now I have 1 2 3 4, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5. If I want to take one more column, so what I do, I will click again, and as you can see right now I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Getting me? Right now I have how many columns? Right now I have 6 columns. If I want to take more column at the right side, so here I can take. Getting me? Then we have merge cell. For example, if you want to merge all the cell, so click on it, and here you can see that now I have merge cell. Getting me? If you want to split, means here I have space, na? If I want to give, if I want to you can say one column, if I want to give one column, one row, so here I can give here for example split. So it's asking that how many columns and how many rows do you want. I say I need just 2 columns and 1 row, and as you can see right now I have 2 columns and 1 row. Definitely here we have auto fit. Definitely it will fit automatically, and here we can change the height and width, and here definitely we can change the direction. For example, if I write something here, okay, if, and now I want to change the left right direction or alignment of my text, so here I can change, here I can change direction. Getting me? Here I can sort. Do you know how can we do sort? And definitely here, if you don't want the table but you just want a text, so just click on it, and again, and as you can see that everything means table has been gone, but the content of my table is still here. Getting me? So this was lecture on table. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.